Arsenal 2, Aston Villa 1 in an emphatic display. End-to-end stuff. More so in Arsenal favor. Definitely, this was very much a really good display. But I want to definitely zoom in on one player in particular. Who's that player? That player is none other than Gabriel Martinelli. Why do I want to zoom in on Gabriel Martinelli? I personally believe that this player will become a legend, future legend. He's a future legend in the making for Arsenal Football Club. That is the reason why I want to zoom in just a little bit on him. We're going to discuss some little aspects in the game that I thought could have gone the other way, could have gone a different way. But nevertheless, we still got 3 points, and that's a big deal. Guys, please do smash the like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. As you can see up here, we're at 14,416. My target by the end of September is 20,000. Is it possible? Will it be possible? I'm not sure. But the only way I have to set my goals, it might sound far-fetched, but I have to set my goals because that is in life. You have to have goals. Now, if we achieve that goal, magnificent. If we at least go as close as possible, even one more subscriber, because it puts us closer. If tomorrow it is 40, if at the end of September 14,417, I will very much be appreciated because guess what? It is a goal and it's a stepping stone forward. Let's get straight into the details of the game, guys. I want you guys to go into the comment section whilst you're hitting that like button and tell me what were your thoughts throughout the 90 minutes of football that you just saw. Throughout 90 minutes of football. Now, I'm going to go do a small preview, then discuss Gabriel Martinelli. So that's the order of the day actually. Let me bring up Gabriel Martinelli again. So let me just go to the side there and let's just have a discussion in regards to what we saw today and how things really panned out. Now, let me see if we can touch on the first aspect. As you can see, Mikel Arteta there. Yeah. And look behind him, Omar Hutchinson. Yeah. But players are celebrating. Everyone is happy. We got 3 points, which is big. Arsenal are still on top of the table with a +9, 15 points. Huge. 5 out of 5. One of the best starts in our history. And historically, it would have shown that once we win the first 5 games of the season, we tend to finish in second or first place. Let's see how that one goes out. So, I want to touch on this first. This is the first thing I want to touch on. No, I think we need to touch on this. This was a penalty. This is a sumo type of wrestling. This is a blatant penalty. No, from the officiating, from the start of the game, I had so much questions about the officiating of the game. And I'm looking like, this is one of those games whereas the officials would have gotten their information that, hey, do your best. Do your best. Arsenal should not come away with a win. I think so. That's the feeling I get. It seems as if the conspiracy theories, and you guys know that I'm a conspiracy theorist, all the conspiracy theories will just roll out same way, that the league don't like Arsenal, FA don't like Arsenal, the refereeing body don't like Arsenal. I just got that feeling from the moment I see the first whistle blow. And the challenges that Aston Villa was throwing in, and they got away with so much challenge. Then when Arsenal slightly nick up player, the card, foul, penalized, and it got really frustrating for me. This year for me, this that you're looking at, people, is a blatant penalty. No questions asked. That is a blatant penalty. Let me see if I can get a bit of zoom on it. So you guys can see. Now, if you're looking close enough, you definitely see where he has his arm wrapped around Bukayo Saka. The ball, you can definitely see that the ball is not even at his feet. You can definitely see that the ball is not even at his feet. Let me zoom in just a bit. There's no way of him winning that ball if he wouldn't have gone through the legs of Bukayo Saka. And guess what? The referee said no foul. Pretty much surprising. Definitely. Anyways, I need to run through this so that we can discuss Gabriel Martinelli. Let me continue. Another aspect of it, Saka, I'm not sure. You need to rest. You shouldn't be missing these. This is a clear-cut open opportunity. You should not be missing these. I think this was from the same tackle that we had Bukayo Saka being drawn down. Now, this year, can you look at the arms of the attacker wrapped around our goalkeeper? And guess what? VAR says it's not a foul. Can you imagine? Twice in one game, VAR turn around, give Arsenal the big stick. Twice in one game. Just very much unfortunate. Luckily, this man turns up. Great goal by Gabriel Jesus in the earlier stage of the game. Sloppy there from Martinez, you'd say. I think Martinez would have been disappointed with himself in how he handled that situation. Thank you very much, Martinez, as an ex-Arsenal player. Really appreciate the work that you have done in this game, giving us that first goal. But Gabriel Martinelli, people, he's the reason why we're here. He's the one we want to discuss. This kid is a beast. People, the intensity that Gabriel Martinelli plays at throughout the entire 90 minutes is one of which I would say is phenomenal. Phenomenal intensity, people. And I'm telling you, it doesn't matter what I want to say or how I want to look at it. This kid cannot be stopped by any defender in the league. I think quite possible he might end this season as a leading goal scorer, even ahead of Gabriel Jesus. He might be one of the players that we say we can't rest him. Both Gabriel Martinelli and Bukayo Saka. It seems as if we cannot rest these players. How important these players are to us. Both players are heading towards being legendary status with the club. I think so. I really do believe so. Gabriel Martinelli will be a big impact in how we finish this season. We keep him fit, we keep him fresh, and he's going to tear this league apart. We're not speaking about only end product. We're talking about throughout the 90 minutes of the game. His defensive work rate, getting back into the midfield, his close touch with the ball in and around tight spaces. Phenomenal. Really phenomenal. So, big up Arsenal. Another win. 15 points. Top of the table. Huge respect, people. All those who took the time and tune in. Really appreciate it. I'm all over the place with this thing. Really appreciate it, people. All those who took the time. As I can say, this man around here, Gabriel Martinelli. This kid is a beast. He is a future legend of Arsenal Football Club. And I'm looking out to see greatly more deeds done by him throughout the season. Massive respect, people. I really truly appreciate you guys sticking here. As I said, definitely. Oh, it's 17 already. Can you imagine? Let's see. Well, let's go for 18 then. Why not? Let's go for 18. Will you be that 18? Anyways, smash that like button if you're here for the first time. Go into the comment section. Tell me what you think or what are your thoughts about that game. And tell me, what do you think about Gabriel Martinelli? Will this young kid be a legend at Arsenal? Let us know. At some point in time, if he performs well next 2 seasons, the Barcelonas, the Bayern Munichs, the Real Madrid. So I'm really hoping that Arsenal can get them stuff together, start winning some serious titles, and we can keep hold of some of these talents that we have in the team. If we can't, we will most definitely lose out on them. Anyways, come on, you're gonna. Big up, people. Massive respect. Thank you for tuning in. Go in the comment section again. Share your thoughts. And we're out. Boom.